Buenas noches, profesor, buenas noches, compañeros. Hoy les vengo a presentar sobre la Guerra de Corea, la cual sucedió desde 1949 hasta 1953. Dentro de este video veremos algunos puntos, los cuales son cómo Corea del Norte ataca a Corea del Sur, las palabras de Truman hacia el pueblo, también cómo Estados Unidos brinda ayuda a Corea del Sur, la toma de Seúl por parte de Corea del Norte, la caída de las tropas estadounidenses, así como el enfrentamiento de las tropas de la ONU y las norcoreanas, la caída de Ian y cómo la ONU huye tras la derrota contra China, entre otros puntos.
La Guerra Fría, Corea, 1949-1953. Agosto 1945. Al finalizar la Segunda Guerra Mundial, el ejército japonés emplazado en Corea desde hace 35 años se rinde.
말 가지고도 마음대로 하지 못하고 우리 법대로서
During the Japanese occupation, they forced us to follow the Japanese lifestyle, speak the Japanese language, use Japanese law. When we were liberated, we welcomed the soldiers.
사람들을 다 쫓아냈기 때문에 우리는 이분들을 환영해야 된다.
Las tropas rusas y estadounidenses liberaron Corea y luego se reunieron como habían hecho en Alemania. En su carácter de fuerzas de ocupación, la Unión Soviética y Estados Unidos decidieron dividir a Corea a lo largo del paralelo 38 como medida temporal. Estados Unidos tenía el control de la mitad sur.
We made the Republic of Korea, really. Between the Pentagon and the State Department.
Los generales estadounidenses pusieron en el poder a Syngman Rhee, un anticomunista de línea dura.
His charm is somewhat deceptive because he's also very tough. He's absolutely unforgiving, very patriotic, and he's not nearly as sweet as he looks.
Rhee fue escogido como el primer presidente de la nueva República de Corea en 1948. Las tropas estadounidenses se retiraron. Al norte del paralelo 38 los rusos estaban al mando. Allí se estableció un régimen comunista basado en una red de comités populares. Kim Il-sung, quien había pasado la guerra en la Unión Soviética, fue preparado para asumir el poder.
He was a very handsome young man, always smiling. Everybody liked him in Korea. He made a very good impression. He was the national hero of the Korean people.
Национальный герой корейского народа.
Se proclamó la República Popular Democrática de Corea con Kim Il-sung como presidente. Las tropas rusas se retiraron. Kim Il-sung soñaba con una Corea unificada bajo un régimen comunista.
Kim Il-sung понимал.
Kim Il-sung understood that to resolve the problem of unifying the two Koreas was very difficult.
Это непростая.
That he would need help.
Это сложное.
Of course, the help he was hoping to get would come from the Soviet Union.
Прежде всего, надеялся он на СССР.
En marzo de 1949, Kim Il-sung fue a Moscú. El motivo secreto de su viaje era conseguir el permiso de Stalin para invadir el sur. Stalin, concentrado en la crisis de Berlín, rechazó la petición de Kim para invadir. A finales de 1949, el escenario internacional había cambiado por completo. Los soviéticos detonaron su primera bomba atómica. Y la revolución comunista china triunfó finalmente. Mao Zedong proclamó la República Popular China. Un acuerdo amistoso entre Mao y Stalin dio lugar a una alianza comunista mundial. Surgió un segundo frente para la Guerra Fría, esta vez en Asia. Stalin estaba seguro de que Estados Unidos no respondería al avance comunista en Asia. En abril de 1950, Kim Il-sung consiguió finalmente la aprobación para invadir Corea del Sur. ...25 de junio 1950... el ejército norcoreano lanza un ataque sorpresa contra el sur.
I remember vividly even today, the day the war broke out. It was Sunday morning, and we heard this kind of remote, the roaring noise from the north.
Provistos de artillería y tanques rusos y bajo el asesoramiento soviético, 10 divisiones de combate del ejército de Corea del Norte se lanzaron sobre la mitad sur.
We believed that we had to fight for our motherland, for our people, for our leader Kim Il-sung. We believed it would be better to liberate the South and to unify Korea. That's what we were fighting for.
그냥 믿었습니다. 그렇기 때문에
Usted está viendo domingo en la mañana en Corea, sábado en la tarde en Washington. Los diarios del día se preparaban para ir a las prensas.
It was Saturday evening. I got a telephone call from the UP duty officer saying that Korea had been invaded by North Koreans. And momentarily the remark stunned me so much that I didn't know what to say. Whether he was joking with me or whether he was really sure.
Los altos oficiales fueron convocados esa noche al Departamento de Estado.
When the invasion occurred of South Korea, I think there was an immediate sense that action had to be taken. Exactly what that action was to be and how far it was to go, it was not something we had planned on. We had not worked out of a contingency plan for a war started by North Korea with South Korea.
At about midnight, there was a call from President Syngman Rhee. I took the receiver and I said, please ask American government to rush necessary help.
El embajador de Corea del Sur fue de inmediato al Departamento de Estado para ver al asistente de la Secretaría Dean Rusk.
He said, if I quote him, we felt that this is a matter America alone cannot be concerned with. It is a matter the world has to be concerned. And with that judgment, we have decided to summon the Security Council for an emergency session.
Noting with grave concern the armed invasion of the Republic of Korea by armed forces from North.
Al día siguiente, el Consejo de Seguridad se reunió. Moscú tenía un boicot contra las Naciones Unidas porque la organización no reconocía a la China comunista.
Those in favor will please raise their hand.
Estados Unidos aprovechó la oportunidad para condenar la agresión de Corea del Norte.
By 9 votes for, 1 against, and 1 abstention.
2 días después, el Consejo de Seguridad aprobó la creación de un frente militar de las Naciones Unidas para defender Corea del Sur.
This is in fact an attack on the United Nations itself.
Bajo la bandera de la ONU, soldados de 16 naciones pelearían contra el comunismo.
We were elated. We felt very, very good, very encouraged. We felt, first of all, we felt that probably Korean unification was to come about as a result of the resolution itself.
El presidente Truman se dirigió a su nación.
Korea is a small country, thousands of miles away. But what is happening there is important to every American. The fact that communist forces have invaded Korea is a warning that there may be similar acts of aggression in other parts of the world.
The feeling at that time was that a military operation of this magnitude
could not possibly have been taken without the support of the Russian military. In other words, it was concluded right at the beginning that this was a movement, this was something happening in the context of the Cold War.
Estados Unidos se preparaba para la guerra. Los reservistas fueron llamados a presentarse.
At the time we entered into the war, led the UN into the war with us, it was a very popular war.
Everybody was agitated, getting ready to go overseas. There were all sorts of feelings. Trepidation, expectancy. There was quite a feeling of wanting to stop the communists from taking over anywhere in the world. They wanted to stem the tide of communism.
El general Douglas MacArthur, el comandante supremo de los aliados en Tokio y legendario vencedor de la Guerra del Pacífico, fue escogido para encabezar las fuerzas de las Naciones Unidas.
He was worshipped in Japan. This man had a tremendous ego and had been fed for all these years. I do believe he was, at this point, felt that he was infallible.
Las tropas más cercanas a Corea eran las fuerzas estadounidenses emplazadas en Japón. Pocas estaban preparadas para una batalla.
The lifestyle involved a lot of leisure. I like to live through the Sears Roebuck catalog, who bought nylons and whatnot for the native girls and that sort of thing. It was a good life.
El destacamento especial estadounidense enviado a Corea no imaginó que su estadía allí sería larga.
As a matter of fact, we were told to take our athletic equipment and leave everything else behind because we'd only be gone for maybe 6 weeks. Have a show of force in the field, and those groups would go back across 30th parallel and we'd come home.
No sería tan fácil. El ejército surcoreano de Ryu estaba en retirada. 2 divisiones habían depuesto las armas y se habían unido a los refugiados que huían del avance comunista.
As soldiers, we did our utmost, but the overall situation was going against us. The North Korean army achieved its initial objective. It captured Seoul in 3 days.
Con la toma de la capital sureña, Kim Il-sung dio una gran victoria al comunismo.
우리는 서울까지 작전이 다 끝났으니까.
When we got to Seoul, the army told us the campaign was finished. They told us political reforms will follow. Now the country will be unified with ease. We didn't think there would be any more war.
인정하고 전쟁이 다시 있을 거를 예상도 안 했어요.
A las tropas estadounidenses no les fue mejor que a las surcoreanas. Desprovistas de armamento antitanques, las líneas estadounidenses cayeron. En cuestión de días, las tropas estadounidenses, sin saber qué hacer, empezaron a retroceder ante el ataque del diminuto régimen comunista de Corea del Norte.
We had equipment left over from World War II. We were in very poor shape for everything. We were not ready to fight a war. That's what it amounts to. That's the long and short of it.
Todos los aliados de Estados Unidos se pusieron del lado de las Naciones Unidas. El primer ministro británico manifestó su apoyo.
If the United Nations organization was not to go the way of the old legal nations, it was absolutely and imperatively necessary that a halt should be called.
15 naciones enviaron sus tropas a Corea para unirse a los estadounidenses en el ejército de la ONU. El general MacArthur aceptó el reto de cambiar el rumbo de la guerra. Tras llevar las fuerzas de la ONU al enclave de Busan, una invasión por mar que se haría a 240 kilómetros de las filas enemigas podría intentar detener y luego hacer retroceder el avance de los norcoreanos. Madrugada del 15 de septiembre, 1950. La flota de invasión más grande que se hubiese formado luego de la Segunda Guerra Mundial bombardeó el puerto de Incheon. Los infantes de marina estadounidenses y coreanos llegaron a la costa masivamente.
When we landed, we approached the beach at full speed. The ramp of the landing craft opened with a bang, and we charged with our guns, screaming. There was a seawall there, cut stone. It had to be scaled. The actual landing conditions were terrible. Part of the city was on fire. It was a rainy day, and the rain was mixing with the smoke of the fire and the smoke of the bombardment. If those beaches had been defended by Japanese or German troops of the same quality as the Germans and Japanese were in World War II, we would have been lucky to get ashore, and we might not have been quite so lucky once we got ashore.
A las 2 semanas, las tropas de la ONU estaban sumidas en una fiera batalla para recuperar la capital sureña, Seúl. 50,000 civiles murieron en el fuego cruzado.
My house was located in a hillside, and there was a crossfire between the UN forces and the North Korean People's Army on the northern side. Finally, my father told us that it would be better that our family split up. At least somebody will have to survive this war.
Luego de haber recuperado Seúl, el general MacArthur volvió a instaurar a Syngman Rhee en el edificio del Parlamento. La relación de MacArthur con el corrupto régimen de Rhee causó preocupación en Washington.
Syngman Rhee was a difficult man to back. And once he was in power, it was very difficult for us to do anything. It was not up to us to change the government, and there was no other alternative, obviously, available anyway.
El jubilioso ejército de Rhee fue el primero en cruzar la división del paralelo 38 hacia Corea del Norte.
우리가 다시 반격을 해서 38선 돌파에 건너갈 때
When we counterattacked across the 38th parallel, every one of us, soldiers and people, thought now the drive was on to unify the whole Korean peninsula.
통일이 되는 하나의 결정적인 계기가 왔다. 이렇게 생각을 했습니다.
Las tropas de la ONU también avanzaron hacia Corea del Norte. El objetivo del general MacArthur parecía ser ahora la persecución en caliente del invasor.
I thought we'd won the war. I shouldn't laugh at this point, but I have to. I really thought we had won the war, and I think that was a general feeling. And we went north with high hopes.
Los líderes chinos seguían la guerra con preocupación. Temían que el ejército estadounidense invadiera territorio chino.
完了以后的时候，我们这方面考虑我们的问题。
If North Korea was defeated, only the Yalu River would separate us from the Americans.
一教之给。不要说是我们。
We couldn't accept this,
只说告我们赶走。
nor the risk of American aircraft disrupting the reconstruction of our country.
边界上骚扰，我们就吃不消。
Desde la devastada Corea del Norte llegó un mensaje urgente a Beijing.
A government delegation was sent to Mao Zedong. What can we do, they asked. We can't retreat. They're attacking us from the air, from the sea, and by land. There's very little of the North Korean army left. Many have died. What can we do now?
Los líderes comunistas en Beijing discrepaban con respecto a la intervención. Mao recibió telegramas secretos de Stalin en los que le decía que entrara en la guerra para salvar a Corea del Norte. Dado su deseo de reafirmar el poder de China en Asia, Mao estuvo de acuerdo. Mientras tanto, las fuerzas de la ONU y de Corea del Sur continuaban su avance hacia el norte. El 19 de octubre, Pyongyang cayó. Fue la única capital comunista en caer ante las fuerzas occidentales durante la Guerra Fría.
MacArthur had the bit in his teeth. He was pursuing a defeated army. The race to the Yalu was on.
A MacArthur le sorprendió que le pidieran ir a la isla Wake en el Pacífico para una reunión con el presidente Truman. MacArthur aseguró a su comandante en jefe que no había posibilidad de que China entrara en la guerra. La entrega de una nueva medalla representó para el general una señal de que podía continuar su avance hacia China. Cuando el presidente le pidió que se quedara a almorzar, MacArthur no aceptó. Mientras Truman y MacArthur hablaban, Mao ordenó al ejército chino, denominado Voluntarios del Pueblo, entrar en Corea. 500,000 de chinos comenzaron a cruzar el río Yalu. Esperaban que las fuerzas de la ONU se acercaran a la frontera. Mientras cruzaban el Yalu en gran número, los voluntarios entonaban esta canción.
雄赳赳，喜昂昂，跨过鸭绿江，为祖国，为国兵，就是保家乡。祖国好儿女，齐心团结进，抗美援朝，打败美帝铁心郎，就是这个样。
Sin saber de la amenaza de las tropas chinas, el ejército estadounidense celebraba el Día de Acción de Gracias. Se servía pavo asado con salsa agridulce. MacArthur y sus soldados aún creían que la guerra terminaría antes de la Navidad.
Well, Thanksgiving Day in 1950 was a very fine day. The weather was nice. The typical Thanksgiving dinners were there. We had everything that we would have had had we been at home. It was just a very nice day, and that was the last nice day we had.
A la mañana siguiente, 300,000 chinos atacaron.
They blow these bugles, and they had a chilling effect on the soldiers.
中国人民志愿军的目的啊，
The first aim of the volunteers going into Korea was to defend our homes and country, the motherland. We couldn't allow others to cross the Yalu River and invade us. But also we wanted to help the Korean people.
就是要帮助朝鲜人民。
Como había pasado una larga guerra civil china, Mao creía que el entusiasmo era la mejor arma para vencer a un enemigo mejor equipado.
因为我们战争是正义的，
Because our war was a just war, the enemy could be defeated.
就是要能够战胜敌人。我们可以用那个
Our bravery and our strategy, developed during the years of the liberation struggle, would help defeat the enemy.
可以把敌人打退的。
The reaction when China came in was that we had a whole new war, a whole new situation. It was a very terrifying situation, and one that was extremely troubling.
Tras otro viraje de esta impredecible guerra, las fuerzas de la ONU emprendieron la retirada y abandonaron vehículos y pertrechos.
We had people on top of the trucks, on the running boards, just heading south. I never felt so inadequate in my life as to be part of an army that was running. It's unbelievable.
I ask you to imagine a situation where the temperature is 25 below zero. Nothing is working as well as it should. Weapons have difficulty firing in that kind of a temperature. A lot of Chinese out there.
I'm not aware of any other movement of Americans that were as futile as that rout was. And it was a rout.
Los soldados estadounidenses lo llamaron fiebre de la huida.
We are fighting in Korea for our own national security and survival. We have committed ourselves to the cause of a just and peaceful world order through the United Nations. We stand by that commitment.
En una rueda de prensa en Washington, los periodistas preguntaron con insistencia a Truman sobre si iba a usar la bomba atómica.
It went on and on, just like that. The president not being able to shut this thing off. And till people began to think that maybe we were going to use the atomic bomb. The bulletins about the president's press conference went around the world immediately. And that caused incredible alarm.
El primer ministro británico, Clement Attlee, se alarmó tanto que viajó a Washington para conversaciones de emergencia.
My aim in these talks is to align our policies in the new and troubled situation in the world and to find the means of upholding what we both know to be right.
Al día siguiente, Truman aseguró a Attlee que no había planes de usar armas nucleares.
No, я думаю, что американцы...
I think the Americans understood it would be tit for tat. If they use it, we will use it. We had an agreement with the Chinese. That's why they didn't use the atomic bomb.
Ese invierno, el dolor de muchas familias estadounidenses comenzó con una llamada a la puerta.
The 29th of December, the doorbell rang. It was on a Friday. I had just washed my hair. And I opened the door and there was a boy delivering a telegram. And he turned on his heels and left. And I knew the telegram was going to tell me either he was dead or alive. And when I opened it, I just thanked God that he was missing in action. As far as knowing when he became a prisoner, that wasn't for another year. Even though we knew he was in a camp, I never knew from day to day how he was doing. I never knew from letter to letter if he was alive, you know, so I always held out hope that he would come home, but I never could say that he would come home.
Usted está... La política adoptada para la retirada de los soldados de la ONU era destruir lo que quedaba atrás. Luego de retirarse de UNAM, los ingenieros estadounidenses hicieron estallar el muelle. Los chinos, en rápido avance, retomaron la capital del norte, Pyongyang. A comienzos de 1951, Seúl fue tomada nuevamente por los comunistas. El general Matthew Ridgway fue designado por MacArthur nuevo comandante de campo. Las tropas de la ONU comenzaron finalmente a detener el avance chino.
The defeatism, the bug-out fever and so forth that had afflicted the 8th Army before was eradicated.
Desde el principio, Estados Unidos tenía la supremacía aérea.
When I was flying up along the Yalu in the F-86, the Sabre, we were using tactics that literally had been used in World War I and World War II, except we're flying jets at much higher speed.
Cuando los Mi-15 rusos, tripulados por pilotos bien entrenados, fueron enviados a la zona de guerra, la supremacía de los Estados Unidos se vio amenazada.
Мы имели задачу туда ехать.
Our mission was to go there to train pilots.
Для обучения.
But later we ended up as participants in the Korean War.
Оказались участниками этой Корейской войны.
La presencia de los pilotos rusos podía ocasionar un conflicto directo entre la Unión Soviética y Estados Unidos.
Наше руководство, и государственное, так и военное.
Our government and the military demanded complete secrecy.
Нас обязывали, как можно.
We must never let the enemy know they were fighting Russians.
Чтоб наш противник не понял, что воюет против них русские.
Cuando Estados Unidos utilizó el Sabre F-86, recuperó poco a poco el dominio de los cielos. Las aeronaves estadounidenses podían mantener una ofensiva constante sobre los blancos terrestres.
For ground attack, we were flying the F-9F, the Panthers. They would carry a large bomb load. We could carry a couple of 1,000-pound bombs on that airplane, and on some flights, 100-gallon napalm tanks with a white phosphorus grenade cap on there so that when it hit the ground and impacted, it would burst into flame and ignite the napalm. And so we used all of those things from time to time on ground attack.
Ahora MacArthur pedía bombardear las ciudades chinas y continuar la guerra en la China continental. Fue demasiado para Truman.
I believe that we must try to limit the war to Korea for these vital reasons. To make sure that the precious lives of our fighting men are not wasted. To see that the security of our country and the free world is not needlessly jeopardized. And to prevent a third world war. A number of events have made it evident that General MacArthur did not agree with that policy. I have therefore considered it essential to relieve General MacArthur so that there would be no doubt or confusion as to the real purpose and aim of our policy.
Para el verano de 1951, la batalla en las colinas de Corea estaba estancada. La situación era casi igual a la que había al comenzar la guerra un año antes. Cada mes se sumaban 2.000 hombres a las bajas de la ONU.
It became evident to us that we were not going to fight this war to win it, that we were going to fight it to some negotiated kind of peace.
Las conversaciones para llegar a un armisticio comenzaron en julio de 1951, pero sin ningún resultado. Fue imposible una conciliación entre ambas partes.
이 공산주의자들하고 교섭이라는 게 굉장히 어렵습니다. 그 사람은
Negotiation with the communists was very difficult. They treated the negotiations like a battlefield tactic, something to buy time.
그 사람네들은 시간 버는 것도 있고요.
Uno de los principales obstáculos para negociar la tregua era la situación de los prisioneros de guerra. Norcoreanos y surcoreanos maltrataban a los prisioneros. El 30% de los estadounidenses capturados por los norcoreanos murió durante el primer invierno.
A lot of them were lost to dysentery, diarrhea, severe beatings, malnutrition. Some of them were, strikers. They would just beat with rifle butts till they died, or bayoneted, or you either kept up or you died. It was that simple.
Preocupados por el número de muertes, los chinos tomaron el control de los prisioneros. Organizaban discursos a diario para adoctrinarlos.
They say, we will tell you why you come to Korea, why you have come thousands of miles from your home to spill your blood for the profiteering warmongers on Wall Street, why you come here to lay down your young lives. They are sleeping with your wives and daughters. Do you think this is right? and this would go on for days on end, hour on end, days on end, forever, continuously.
En Estados Unidos, pocos querían saber qué pasaba.
Everybody was involved with World War II, but nobody was involved with Korea. The newspapers had so little in them. If I wanted to know what was going on in Korea yesterday, I would have to get the New York Times, because on page 2, they had a short column on the Korean War every day. But most of the other papers didn't, and you would only see headlines when there was a skirmish or if some hill had been lost or won, you know. So there wasn't that interest. There really wasn't. It wasn't like Vietnam where you ate dinner and watched television and saw the latest battle. You know, it wasn't anything like that.
En Japón, la guerra en Corea impulsó la economía. Generó $3.5 millardos en inversión. Japón, el antiguo enemigo, se convirtió en un bastión del capitalismo en la guerra contra el comunismo en Asia.
Japan became the jumping off place for the Korean War. The dockyards and shipyards were used to recondition the ships. Japanese electronics, which are probably now the top of the world, really got their start in the Korean War.
En Corea del Sur, la ONU tenía 130.000 prisioneros de guerra comunistas. Se le preguntó a cada uno si querían volver a su país de origen o permanecer en el lado no comunista. Los comunistas se enardecieron cuando casi la mitad de los prisioneros eligió no regresar a su país de origen. Esto provocó protestas violentas en los campos. Cuando se reanudaron las negociaciones en Panmunjom, hubo un retraso de meses debido a la situación de los prisioneros. Mientras las conversaciones estaban paralizadas, el bombardeo nunca cesaba. Los bombarderos estadounidenses lanzaron la misma cantidad de explosivos sobre Corea del Norte que habían lanzado sobre Alemania en la Segunda Guerra Mundial.
어디서 언제 날아오는지 어디서 소리도 없이 싹 날아와서
The bombers came without warning.
거기에 맞아 죽은 사람.
Too many people died because of the bombing. You found dead people everywhere.
길가에 가면 그 시체가 없는 데가 없었고 그다음에 뭐
There was hardly a single house left standing.
집 하나 온전한 집이 하나 남았.
They bombed the big cities, the villages, and the countryside in the same way.
농촌에 할 거 없이 몽땅 다.
I saw it all with my own eyes.
이건 내가 직접 내가 눈으로 봤습니다.
Según los cálculos, murieron unos 2 millones de civiles norcoreanos.
Это ужасно. Сталинград?
It was horrific. They said Stalingrad was destroyed 96% in the Second World War, but Pyongyang was destroyed 100%. Everything was burnt to ashes. Not a single house left.
A lo largo de la guerra, ambos bandos cometieron horribles atrocidades. Los del norte asesinaban a los del sur que simpatizaban con el enemigo. Los que apoyaban a Ri masacraron a los sospechosos de ser comunistas. Los civiles eran a menudo las víctimas de una violencia que parecía no tener fin. En Panmunjom continuaban las conversaciones. En un lapso de 2 años hubo cientos de reuniones. Usted está... 1952, año de elecciones en Estados Unidos. Después de 2 años en guerra, Truman decide no representar a los demócratas. Los republicanos eligieron a Dwight Eisenhower. Su lema, iré a Corea.
A lot of us were disenchanted with President Truman. I somehow blamed him for the war. So when the elections came up in 1952, I couldn't wait to vote for Eisenhower. I felt being a military man, and his pledge was that he would see what he could do to end that war, that he was the man I wanted in office.
Eisenhower obtuvo una victoria avasalladora sobre los demócratas. En Oriente también hubo cambios. En marzo de 1953 el mundo comunista lloraba la muerte de Stalin. Stalin había mantenido viva la guerra. Sus sucesores querían terminarla.
Soviet and North Korean leaders came to believe it was impossible to win this war, because on the side of South Korea was the whole world, and on the North Korean side was the Soviet Union and China. So an armistice was inevitable.
Finalmente se acordó un cese al fuego el 27 de julio de 1953. Los chinos, los norcoreanos y la ONU suscribieron el acuerdo. El presidente de Corea del Sur, Syngman Rhee, se opuso a la tregua y se negó a firmar. La ardua tarea de intercambiar prisioneros de guerra comenzó. 75.000 prisioneros comunistas fueron devueltos. 12.000 prisioneros de las Naciones Unidas fueron liberados.
There's no words to describe how elated I was and my friends as we come across the line. It felt like tons had been lifted from your back. It felt like for the last 2.5 years I'd been carrying an enormous amount of weight, I mean tons. And all at once I could breathe, I was light, I was free. Freedom is something you can't describe.
Bernie Gailey también regresó a casa. Florence lo esperaba.
I'd only known him 6 months. We were only married 6 days. This young man who left with blonde, wavy hair came back with brown, straight hair. Thin. And he was gaunt. I mean, he no longer had the facial structure that he had when he left. This man that I had waited for 33 months. And then he comes home and I don't really know him. But it didn't take long.
$54,000 estadounidenses no regresaron a casa. La guerra reclamó las vidas de 3.000 hombres de los ejércitos de otras 15 naciones. En Chile, Mao habló de una gran victoria. Los voluntarios fueron recibidos como héroes. Aproximadamente 500,000 de soldados chinos murieron en la guerra.
The volunteers demonstrated to the rest of the world that the Chinese were no longer the Chinese of the past. China could not be bullied. China was no longer the lame dog of Asia.
En el norte y en el sur, 3 millones de coreanos habían sido asesinados, heridos o estaban desaparecidos. Otros 5 millones quedaron sin hogar.
53년도 정전 협정할 때
When the truce was negotiated in 1953, there was a chance for the Korean people to breathe.
조선인민들이 숨쉴 기회가 있다.
But there is no real victory in war. It kills so many people and destroys so much.
거기서 무슨 승리가 있어?
Ningún ganador, pero Occidente se mantuvo firme. El comunismo en Corea había sido frenado.
In broad terms, it was a defeat for socialism. We were unable to impose the socialist system on South Korea, so it was a defeat.
Está para arriba.
Años más tarde, ya finalizada la Guerra Fría, Corea aún seguía dividida por la misma línea.